Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Telegram this channel cannot be displayed. This is a pretty simple thing, so let's get on with the video. The first thing to do is to open the Telegram app. Once you've done that, go to Settings. Scroll down and then find Data and Storage. Once you're here, you will have to look for Storage Usage. Then just tap on Clear Entire Cache. What this does is it gets rid of all the data that it's been collecting over the past few months that you have had Telegram, and that comes with the viruses and the bugs. So that might help you with your problem, but if it doesn't, try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it so it gets a better reset, and it will help you with your problem. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.